how to make bullet points in Google Slides. If you want to make bullet points in Google Slides, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then open your browser. Then just go to slides.google.com wherever else. Right here I have a certain text, let's say, and I'd like to add a bullet to it. So I'll just select that. Once I select that text, at the very top right hand side you'll see these icons called bulleted list and numbered bulleted list. So one is the dotted one, the other is the numbered one. Depending upon which one you want, let's say I want a dotted bullet list, you will see the bullet list format right here. I can choose a shape just like this, and if I want I can also use a numbered bullet list. Right now, similarly, another way is that you can actually just use a shortcut. So it doesn't have to be that you need to use this one only. You can just go ahead and then use a shortcut, and the shortcut to use a bullet point basically is Control Shift and 8. So if you're using Windows, you have to use Control Shift and 8 key, and if you're using Mac, you want to use Command Shift and 8 key. So you just substitute the control for the command key, and once done, you'll be able to go ahead and enable or disable and make the bullet points right here. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.